was stuck. That is strange, I don't see it teleport. No, I see it. No, 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 no. Sorry about that.
I remember the first time I thought playing a game with someone, I was like, are you Christian? He's like, who are you? And I was like,
No. I'm not here to hurt you. Oh, you're bad. You're so much. Never saw a mouse before.
yeah, this is restart for number 1. Oh, you should go to my world, Christian. My world isn't that best, I got a bunch of models and actually put it in my world. It might take a while to load. Even with a back computer. 1 second, I'll be right back. Yeah, actually create a world. 1 second, I'll be right back.
No. Ah! Clay, I might need clay to make some utilities. Because clay is useful. And just so you know, clay can make bricks. And pots. It may be useless on making tools and stuff for me to defeat and go to the underworld. But it's good enough. If there's nothing here. Face me if you dare to die. Sorry, but you fight bravely. But what was the reason for it? There must be a reason for why you're fighting. Or you fight for no reason. And fighting for no reason is not a good call as a fight. Yeah, I can have a fish farm in the old... I can have a fish farm. But fish are useless right now until I get the pirate. I mean, not the pirate. But you can get pirate. Remember the old days. Can't wait till I defeat my first boss. Oh, the sun is turning. This is not good. Just save it right now, just in case. Time to finish it off with my finishing move. Harlem Slice! Shh. Nah. I gotta say something. This is solid rock. Hopefully I can travel it and see new stuff. Hopefully worthwhile. Nothing here. When this happens, I can't quit out because I'm too big, but I can come in because I'm paying. You face the right angle. No, 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 no. Oh, I'm safe. Nothing there. Or is there? I gotta do this some other time. Please. I don't want to hurt you. I can't send you back in the water. Could you come up on shore again? Always think twice before you make a mistake. Or something hard. And then muting or something. It's time for me to jump over this jellyfish. I'm not gonna waste my potion for things that don't like me. I need a brevo before it's too late. I have one gold stick. I can use it as light. No! No! This can't be happening. This can't be! This sucks. This sucks. I'm mortal, but it always hurts. I am weak, and this is my third time of death. Luckily, I don't lose nothing when I die. Or do I? Even I jump! Ah! Demon one. No! Run from the demon! No! Ah! I just have to hold my breath. And then when you do this again. Yes, hurry, hurry, run, 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 run! Ah! Zombie! Stand back! I'm not getting affected, even though I can't die. Come back! Jump! I'm gonna face it like a man. Ah! You ruined my speech. It's time. Oh. Oh. Cut him slice. That's time to finish you. I need to make some armor. Now it's time for me to go in here. Luckily I can catch my breath. If only I had the bed I could sleep in tonight. And have wonderful times. Soon enough when I get a magic wand I can upgrade to the house. Unless you guys don't want me to and just go all the way. Quantity item. Look! I'm in a face pot. Ah! I don't want this face on me. It's supposed to be not on my head. And trade this for this. Look, I put the fishbowl down. Okay, I'll only put it on top of me. This should make it be able to see it. I'll put it down. Wait, I'm drowning? Okay, this is strange. So since I have a fishbowl on my head, oh no, I'll become a fish. So if I'm a mermaid, I can wear this and become a mermaid every single time. So I should wear it when I can become a mermaid. But that may take a while. So it can be super fast. I need to upgrade this. I need to hurry. Because life and death depends on this. And we don't usually make it. Ah! That was creepy. That's really creepy when you take a breathe. Okay. I have to try that again. I'm not breathing. I see something in there. If you look at the fishbowl, you can see a face there. Is that my fish or a mermaid's face? It's time for me to try. No, I just saw that for no reason. Hopefully you enjoyed that video, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.